Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session of video, I will explain how to tame Asian characters, how to use Asian characters. Internationalization or localization starts by properly dealing with multibyte characters. Just forget about multibyte characters. If you are developing a new software from scratch, stick to Unicode character system or UTF-16 encoding using wide character. You still have to deal with multibyte characters, then watch this video and learn how to convert between multibyte characters and wide characters or Unicode. We will learn how to handle Asian characters properly, especially Korean, Chinese, and Japanese. These characters are using multibyte character set, and we need to handle how to convert multibyte characters to wide character properly, and also we need to convert wide characters to multibyte characters. To convert multibyte character to wide character or Unicode character, we need to use multibyte mbsr multibyte string to wide character string, this function. Also, to convert wide character or Unicode character to multibyte character, we need to use wide character string to multibyte mbs. These two functions are complement to each other. We also need to understand the set locale of this function. So in this session of video, I will show you how to convert wide character to multibyte character and from multibyte character to wide character. This learning how to convert characters, we will understand how to deal with Asian characters such as Korean and Chinese and Japanese properly on your software development. Before we start developing internationalized software, we need to make some development settings on our system, especially if you are going to develop software that supports Asian language such as Korean, Chinese, or Japanese. You have to install on your system Asian languages. In my case, I installed Korean, English, Chinese, Japanese, and Chinese, etc. If you want to install Asian languages, right click, search, then here type in control panel, then open control panel. Here click add language. Here you can add more languages you want to install on your machine. You can scroll down and you can add languages. After adding language, you have to check one thing more. For example, here again, or on control panel home, here go to change date, time, or number formats. Here click this, click at the region administrator tab. Please double check language for non-Unicode program. You have to change in current language for non-Unicode program is set English United States. If we are going to support Korean characters, for example, we have to change it to Korean. For example, Korean. Here. Of course, you have to install Korean language on your machine first. Then click OK. Then it will restart. After restarting your machine, double check once again. Click the Windows symbol here, right click, search, then control panel here, click here, change date, time, or number format, and select administrative. You make sure current language for non-Unicode program, Korean or Chinese if you want to try Chinese, or Japanese if you want to try Japanese. So setting this is very important. Also make sure you have to also install, if you are going to display Korean characters properly, you have to install also Korean language on your platform, on your machine. If all settings done, then we will start our coding. Now we start Visual Studio Code. Here in the Asian character, I will create an empty file, char convert cpp. Here we need to include IO stream, and we need to include string, and we need locale, clocale. Now we will first create convert from constant character to wide character. For this purpose, std wstring, we'll be using wstring to wstr constant character mbsrtowcs. MB means multibyte string, and we will convert another one string to str constant w character t wcstr convert from constant w character t to constant character. I will do this for the time being. Here, first we need to make std mb state t, and this is I will name it state. Conversion state. Size t, we need to calculate size t, clen. We are converting from character multibyte string to wide character string. Null. We will save it constant character p mbsdr here p 0 and we need to provide the state. This is wrong, we have to initialize it like this. Get the number of characters when successfully converted. Okay, this is character count. If it fails, if it cannot succeed to convert, if we cannot calculate the number of characters, then that can be converted to, then it will return clen 0 means it failed. Failed to calculate the number of converted the character length of the converted string. Fail to calculate character length of the converted string. Okay, then it means we cannot proceed, so we return empty string, empty w string. Then we cannot proceed. I will just do like this here. Otherwise we can convert. Then we make std double string here, and here let's see RLT means result. clen, we will initialize it like this. Reserve C characters. Then we can convert size t converted mbsr multibyte string to wide character string. Target will be RLT. Then let's see, this is target, source P. We can now set this one. Okay, then length is RLT size. Okay, then state. Okay, if fails, if conversion fails, static cast std size t odb -1. It means conversion failed. Then we will return. We can simply return null string, empty string. Otherwise, else return RLT. So you may wonder why we resolve C. You may say, what about if we add one more +1? You may argue +1 for null termination null character. Well, it is not actually needed, because this double string, when we set clen characters to double string, it actually preserves one more character. Double string reserves +1 character. Okay, so this is actually we don't need this. We will test it. Okay, so let's try it. int main. If you want to get more information about this string, this function, then please search it. Please search Google, and here see reference. You can get more information from here. I will put the link here for your reference. Now let's test it. This converts from character string to multibyte string. So we first try it. Character buffer. I say C buffer. 256. Then std cout input text. Okay, we get input text from the user std cin. We get get right. I would say just like this: cin C buffer. Okay. Then we convert it std wstring and wstr to wstr C buffer convert to W string. Then we display it std w cout converted wstr std ln. Okay. Now build and run it. Here I will enclose the text with a square bracket like this. Saved and build. We are testing with Microsoft compiler first. This is Microsoft compiler. Okay. See, it works. In case of Microsoft compiler, it works, but there is one more character here. Let's try it once again. You can see converted character has one more character because we added plus one here. We have to remove it. See, we removed. And I will put a comment here. Redundant. Because double string manages double string manages terminating null character. Okay. Okay, we fixed it. We removed plus one and we build again. Okay, it works perfectly like this. We enclosed character here. Now we don't need it. Now let's try with GNU compiler. Microsoft compiler once again. Okay. Now GNU compiler. I will add square bracket again. Now with GNU compiler, G++ and character convert CPP or GEXE. Doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's check what's the problem. The cause of the problem comes from here. Failed to compute CLang. So I put error message here. Save it. Oh, it's not coming from here. What's the problem? Let's compile it once again. No, not here. Let's try it. Let's put error message here. We are trying to trace where the error message is coming. Zero. Saved. It's not coming here. Wow. We are printing converted. Wow. Even this string does not display. Where the error is coming. Before, after. Okay. So up to this point, before, up to this point, now let's see what's the problem. This is ridiculously big number, so it is not 1 or clan std static cast size t minus 1. Probably this case. Okay, let's try it once again. Failed compute clen. Failed compute clen. Probably this case, right? So we can now remove these. So it can fail. It means failed. Also, we have to check one more here. If mbstr null or strlen mbstr is 0, then we cannot perform return. We cannot do conversion, right? We filter them out. Okay. Now let's see. We don't need it. And we fixed this case. No, we don't need it. Save them. Now let's fill the again. strlen mbstr. So we need to include the C string. Okay. So converted string is 0. Null. Failed. Okay. The problem is that we have to set std, set locale. Okay. lc or now we need to put locale string ko kr. Now let's search for internet about locale string, language string. Microsoft says Korean language string is, it does not have. Korean language string is ko kr. See, ko kr. I copied it, and here I saved it. Now let's try it. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Please remember, it doesn't work. Instead, we have to fix it like this. Use underscore instead of this. Okay, this point is important. Or This is for GNU compatibility. If we try this, it works. You understand? So you have to control it dynamically if you are using GNU compiler or Microsoft compiler. So we understand now. If you are using Microsoft compiler, it is correct string. If you are using Microsoft compiler, otherwise, if you are using GNU compiler, use like this. So we can using preprocessor. We can say if def msvc. Let's say Visual C++ predefined macros. Here, shit, and this is all Korean. I will change it to English for your understanding. US. So in case of Microsoft, they define MSC build, MSC. They probably define MSV version. They probably define this macro. Okay. So I copied it. I copied this. Then we put so I used a simple preprocessor directive like this. This is for GNU. This is for Microsoft. Okay, I saved them. Now we can run it. Now let's put message here if it is working properly. std cout ms settings. We can delete it later. This is GNU setting. Okay, so let's try it. See GNU settings. Okay, now it works. Now let's try with Microsoft. MS settings. Okay, it works. Now we delete it. So please note that this kind of thing is a little bit tricky, especially when you are using the different compiler for compatibility. So if you are, for example, if you are using Japanese language, if you want to say Japanese locale, you have to say JP, like this on Windows. If you are using Microsoft compiler, you have to do like this. If you are using GNU compiler, then you have to use underscore. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I pointed it out. Now we are going back. Now we are converting from double string to string. Now we can go in pretty fast. The very first step is std mbsrtowcs. Here size we need to preserve, save character t p wc str. Okay, size t clen wcsrtombs. No, it's hard to remember. You can the wide character string to multibyte string. Remember like this. P 0 is actually ignored. State like this. Okay, if clen 0 or we actually have to test if wcstr null or wcslen. Okay, wcslen. I put it here is 0, then there's nothing to do. Return empty string. Okay, so don't forget this step is actually important. And okay, now next we define the state. Now count. Also clen static cast std size t -1. It means error. Okay, error state. Okay, it means error. Cannot determine or convert to constant character. So we can return simply return null string, empty string. We can simply return. Okay. Here now we can convert. See, size t once again and converted double wide character string to multi-byte string. Now we need to preserve here std string rlt clen. Now null character, we will just put null character here. So we don't need +1 here. Let's try it. +1 for example. Okay, we can later test it. And here rlt 0 first character, then we can directly use this. Now we have to provide a pointer address of this then RLT size, then state. Okay. If failed, converted static cast size t -1. It failed. Return. We are sending wstring, so we are passing return empty string. Else return RLT. Now we finish it. So for more information about this function, please search you in the internet. This here, you can get more information about this function. wcsrtombs. Read it like a wide character string to multibyte string. Read like this. It's easier. Okay. Now let's test that. We will disable it. Now we will disable it. Double character T W buffer. Okay, I made double buffer. std cout input text std wcin. We have to use wcin for double character. Then we convert string. To do that, std string str to str w buffer. Convert wide double character t to std string. Now we print it out. std cout converted here str okay. Save it. Now run it. We will try with GNU. Okay. It works. Please see the one more trailing space here. Let's try once again. The trailing space here, it means we added redundant character. Okay. First one is redundant because std string manages terminating null character. Okay, I think you now understand why it's good enough. So it successfully works using GNU compiler. Okay, it works perfectly. Now using Microsoft compiler, perfect. So this way we can convert from character string to double string. Now we can use using these as base, we can create lots more string conversions. For example, now we can convert std string to string std. See, constant std double string. We can create lots of string conversion. See, now we can use return to string double str. See, string. Okay. This works perfectly. Now what about, now we want to convert from string double string. Now we say double string. Okay, we converted from double string to string, from string to double string. So we made all kind of conversion. Then we can do something like this. Do you think it is possible? std string string. We are making simple string. Multi-byte string. std double string. Now L string. I love wide character string. Okay, we made two string. This is Unicode string actually. This is multibyte text string. Now what about this std cout? Do you think it will work? str? Okay, it works. Then what about this wstr? Will it work? Let's try. Okay, let's try. See, first I have error. It doesn't work. Okay, what's the problem? Let's read the error message. Binary operator that takes relation. It does not work, but I want to make this work. How? Well, we can do like this. Okay, I will make it work first. Then std string operator std string os. This is for string multiplied string test, but we can overload like this. std w string wstr. See, let's try how I do this. os, yes, to str. wstr. Okay, return OS. Now it works. We use this function. From wstring to wide character string to string, multibyte string. With this definition addition, now it works. I will save it. Yeah, it works perfectly. Okay, now let's try with GNU compiler. Yeah, perfectly work. Okay, so what about this? Now we understand that it works. SDD. What about this? SDD, WCR, SDR. Let's try anyway. WSTR, SDD, and there. Will it work? This is wide character version. Let's try. Well, we have long error message. In the same manner, we define once again here double string. Okay, double string. Okay, this is a string. Then we have to convert it to double string. Okay, now it works. Now let's try it. Okay, it should work. Okay, now we can arbitrarily mix std cout. We can mix multibyte character string, we can put Unicode text, wide character text, now we use just a string at the end. Okay, save it. Now we try it. First, Microsoft compiler. See, 157. No, this is correct. What's the problem? Say this is UTF-8 encoding. Let's read the message once again. I saved it. Read the message once again. It cannot save code phase. In Korean code phase, this cannot be saved in UTF-8. So we have to change it like this. Save with encoding. Save it encoding EUCKR. Okay, this is Korean encoding because it has Korean text. Now we convert it. Try it. Wow. Perfect. But it has a problem. This is problematic. Please note that this is crazy, it doesn't work. Now we convert another one here, and this is cout here. We add one more. Now this is constant wide character T like this. Okay, that's it. we add it. Wow, it works. This is crazy. Cool. This is crazy. Yes. Now let's try once again with double string. Now this is double string. Double string. Yeah, it gets, see, you see this text. Let's try again. Corrupted. This text is corrupted. We need to make another fix. Now we have to fix this. Here, and this is character string. Now that's it. We saved it. We overloaded 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now try it. Wow, everything is resolved perfectly with no corruption, whatever. Now let's try with GNU compiler. I hope GNU compiler also works. Oh, sorry. Wow. So this way we can deal character conversion perfectly from string to from multibyte string to wide character string, from wide character string to multibyte string. Thank you for watching.